Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Robina. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a hair installation tutorial, and the hair that I'm going to be installing is right there on the screen. It's a 22-inch water wig. So I'm going to be starting by applying my glue, and for the glue I'm using the ghostbond glue. So I'm going to start by applying that onto my forehead, just a few meters in front of my hairline. So that is what I'm going to be doing, and I'm going to use a small comb, the tail of the comb, to apply the glue all over the forehead. And then after applying the glue in dots, I'm going to go ahead and push it backwards towards the hairline and spread it all over. So once I'm done spreading the glue all over the face, I'm going to get my hair blow dryer and dry the glue down. If you don't have a hair dryer, you can just wait and sit for a few minutes and wait for the glue to dry up. But if you do have a hair dryer like I do, it's so much easier. You just have to blow dry the glue and then it dries down. So once my glue is dried up, I'm going to get my hair, put it on my head, and then I'm going to get the lace and place it just right on top of the glue. So after my lace is stuck on the glue, I'm going to go ahead still with my Spiritz spray just to hold the lace even more, and also to try to minimize the appearance of my lace. Still, I'm going to go back with my hair dryer and dry that down as well. So I'm going to go ahead and tie a cloth onto the lace to hold it down even more. So I'm going to go ahead and try and perfect my side parting. So, and to make it even more visible, I'm going to go ahead and apply my powder shade onto the lace or onto the parting, so that it comes out even more visible. Then I'm going to go ahead with some water and spray into the wig or into the hair and bring out the curls. I'm now going in with a hot comb to make my wig flat at the top. So I'm going to go ahead and do some baby hairs, and I'm going to just pick a few hairs from the top of the hair, and I'm going to cut them with a scissor and then do some baby hairs. And to lay my baby hairs, I used my Label air gel to lay them down. I'm going in with more water again to make the curls even more visible. Anyway, so this is quite much what I did for the hair, and given that this is my first time to do a hair installation video on my channel. So guys, let me know what you think about this video. I hope you learned a few things or two, and I'll see you in my next video. Here I am. I went, did some makeup and came back, and that is my final hair. That is how it looks, and hope you guys love this video. Please give me a like, comment down below, let me know what your thoughts are, and I'll see you in my next video. Oh, subscribe if you have not yet already, and bye bye.